Unlocking mindfulness in everyday tasks. You don't need more time to be mindful. You just need a moment and a shift in how you show up to it. Mindfulness isn't something you add to your to-do list. It's something you bring to what you're already doing. Let me show you. Right now, whatever you're doing, pause. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel that? That's presence. That's mindfulness. Now imagine if you could access that during the ordinary parts of your day, not just on a meditation cushion, but while brushing your teeth, making coffee, walking to your car. That's what unlocking mindfulness in everyday tasks looks like. Let's break it down. 1. Choose one everyday task. It could be washing the dishes, folding laundry, watering your plants. 2. Bring your full attention to the task. Feel the temperature of the water. Notice the texture of the fabric. Smell the soap. Hear the sound of your breath. You're not trying to make it special. You're just noticing what's already there. 3. When your mind drifts, which it will, gently come back. Not with judgment, not with frustration. Just a simple, kind, back to the moment. This trains your brain to stay here, rather than getting lost in past or future. Here's why this works. When you're fully present in a task, even for 30 seconds, your nervous system shifts. Your breath deepens. Your heart rate steadies. Your mind gets a break from problem solving and loops. And the beauty of it? You're not adding anything new to your day. You're just changing your relationship to what's already happening. You're not folding laundry. You're practicing calm. You're not walking the dog. You're practicing awareness. You're not drinking tea. You're practicing presence. It doesn't have to be perfect, just practiced. Even if you get 10 seconds of mindfulness out of 2 minutes of doing dishes, that counts. That rewires your brain. That builds the muscle of presence. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Until mindfulness isn't something you try to do, it's just how you live. So here's your challenge. Pick one ordinary task today. Be fully present for just 1 minute. No multitasking, no checking your phone, just you and the moment. That's where the shift begins. If you felt something shift just listening to this, imagine doing it on purpose, every day. Mindfulness isn't somewhere else. It's in your dishes, in your footsteps, in your breath. Start there.